I have a 2013 Lexus. It's a bit aged, and this is particularly showing in the plastic trim. There's a lot of sun damage here. It's not black any longer. So I've prepared this for painting. You could, instead of painting to get this black again, try some of these plastic restorers that exist. Although those are not permanent fixes, this paint should be much more permanent. I have a trim black. It's meant specifically for vehicles. This surface is already pretty rough, otherwise you might want to hit yours with some sandpaper, rough it up a little bit, give the paint something to stick to, and from here, let's begin spraying. A few light coats should do the job. Let's see how this turns out. Light, even strokes. According to the directions, you allow this to dry only 2 to 3 minutes between each coat for a total of 2 to 3 coats. So let's hit this with a second coat. And coat number 3. That third coat fully dried, and this looks spectacular, nearly brand new. Let's remove our tape and see how everything truly looks. This plastic was tired, worn out, and very sun damaged. Now it looks black, sharp, and brand new. I might do the same thing to the plastic pieces down here, although they're not as visible. I hope this helps you with your project.